most three valuable things I have learned since I have been in business independently for the last 3 years. The first one would be honoring your work ethics. Number two would be don't chase the money. And number three would be you can't grow outside of the box you place yourself in. I want you to think about that, man, because those are some serious things that I learned that I had to embrace that really took me to the next level once I understood them. And honoring your work ethics means really pay attention to what you do. When you love what you do, you're going to make sure it's done right. And just do it right. And that way, other people will praise your work. And you don't have to. Don't chase the money, man. Don't chase the money, because when you chase the money, you're chasing debt. You're chasing bondage. You're chasing an overseer. You're going to end up putting yourself in a situation where you're going to have to kiss somebody else but all the time. Or you're going to have to lead by somebody else's example, and you can't lead by your own. You know what I mean? You're going to have to follow orders by someone if you chase that money. So you don't want to do that. You're going to chase the information and relationships. I have had money and couldn't do the things that I wanted to do because I didn't have the relationships. So the relationships and the information of what you can do with the money. Because sometimes we'll get the money and we'll sit on the money. And life will happen. And what happens? We got to spend the money. Now we got to make the money back up again, so that way we can do something with it. Don't sit on the money. Learn how to invest the money. Keep the money flipping. Learn how to put it in different areas. Learn how to put it in places and just forget about it and let it grow. Let it do what it do. You know, you got to keep that in mind. But get that information. Learn what you need to do with the bag. And remember this. You can't outgrow the box you place yourself in. So if you place yourself in a box where you have to network with certain people, where you have to have a job, where even though you're a business owner, you have to depend on bids. You have to depend on a certain board to approve you to get the money and to reach the customers you need. You don't want that. You want to be independent. You want to learn how to have products over talent. You want to have your own products, your own services that you can provide, that's tailor-made, that can't nobody go get it from nobody but you. And it's going to take time, but it's something that you got in you that can't nobody else offer. And that's what you're going to have to figure out. You're going to have to key into that and realize if you got the big name and the lights, it's going to bring a lot of people out to try to bite you, try to get what you got because they think you up here. So learn to eat small, and you can still live big like that and keep a lot of those vultures off of you. HogOn.